Hi, I am Jake, and today you will learn a little bit about bobcats. Bobcats like to eat chickens, hares, mouse, white-tailed deer, raccoons, and minks. Bobcats try to stay away from yapping frogs, dogs, and mountain lions. Bobcats' ears are tipped with black, and same with their tail. A bobcat is a consumer because it eats rabbits, birds, and rodents. Also, a bobcat is a consumer because it eats food. A bobcat is nocturnal because it eats at night and it drinks at night. A bobcat is an organism because it helps keep roadrunners in population and yapping frogs and dogs and mountain lions. And it keeps hares' population down, and it helps for many other reasons. A bobcat's ecosystem is the forest, swamps, Mexico, South Canada, deserts, and the mountains. Now, a bobcat's habitat is the cliffs, swamps, and caves. Bobcats love rocky ledges and love South America. Hope you learned a little bit about bobcats.